Hi, my turbocharged 602 NA engine, it broke down about 4 months ago, and this is the connecting rod of the 5th cylinder. It's cracked. It's completely gone, and it took the bearings with it. It spun around, and the bearing that upper bearing was in 3 pieces, and the crankshaft also, it created deep marks on that one flange. And now I have bought a 605.960 engine, and I put my 5.5mm pump in it, but it to a surprise, it hasn't any more power. And this is the bearings of the other cylinders that doesn't have cracked, and they are pretty much gone. I don't know how long that 602 will survive because of these bearings. And yeah, I don't have the lower parts of the bearings. These are the upper parts because there's oil channel on this, and the oil channel actually that is in the NA connecting rods, this weakens the rod because the hole is much thinner. They crack more easily than the connecting rods on the turbo engine because they doesn't have a hole in here. They just have the oil squirters that sprays the oil under the piston, so they don't need a hole, and they are much stronger. And this is only the upper bearings, and they are gone, but the lower bearings that I don't have anymore, they wasn't that bad. And the main bearings that the crankshaft was in the engine block, they wasn't bad at all. So they don't need to be changed that often. And I will recommend to anyone that doesn't even turbocharge NA 601, 602 or 603 engine, this connecting rod bearings needs to be changed about I think 400 or 500,000, like every 400 to 500,000 kilometers, because of this damage. The oil pressure is escaping through this because it has eaten away. It's completely eaten away. The oil pressure is escaping through it because it's not smooth anymore, and it's eaten away to this. How the iPhone camera is not. Yeah, there's a groove. The oil pressure is escaping right through here, that way. And yeah, I don't know what to say about this anymore, but the bearings on the NA engines aren't forever. They don't work forever because it's a weak point. The holes are a weak point. They doesn't hold up as well as turbo bearings. So yeah. But now I have the 605 turbo engine, so that should hold up to 300 horsepower. But my powertrain doesn't hold up that much. But my goal is to reach about 200 horsepower. I have the electronically controlled pump that come with the engine I bought, and I need to have someone to swap the 6mm elements to my pump, then I can have the 200 horsepower. So that lasted, the 602 engine lasted about 23,000 kilometers. And I don't know why the connecting rod cracked. Maybe too advanced timing, so you shouldn't just turn the pump without checking the timing. The timing should be the max advanced should be about 13 degrees after the top dead center. Not any more advanced than that. I don't know what my timing really was, so it maybe have put too much pressure on the connecting rod. But even if this doesn't have broke, I don't know how long. So if this hasn't broke and my timing was correct, and I have changed this the bearings in time, the engine maybe have a hold up with the stock 5.5mm pump. I don't really know, but yeah. So that's about the 602 engine. Yeah.